Hi, my name is Michael Hollins, and I am the founding attorney for the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. And today I am sounding the alarm. It is just past June. Today's June 9th, 2021. It is time to check your credit report. We are more than halfway through the year, and so I'm going to tell you a little bit about credit reports and why you should be checking it at this time of the year. But first, if you'd like any information regarding bankruptcy, please head over to hollinsbankruptcy.com. We have great information for you there. Or give us a call at 866-86-BILLS. That's 866-862-4557. We'd be happy to talk to you about your situation. Now on to credit reports. Exactly what is a credit report? Overarchingly, a credit report is just a list of your payment history. It lists what loans you may have been given, what your current debt is, how you paid on time or not so on time for the loans you were given within that payment history. And just other financial information is kept there. They show sometimes where you may have worked or where you have lived. Have you been sued? The outcome of that lawsuit? Was there a judgment that was put in place because of that? If you've been arrested or even if you filed bankruptcy, all of those things can be found on your credit report. Now that is a lot of information. And so it's a great tool for those who want to get to know you and your financial status. Now, what are those people doing? Like, how are they using your credit report? Credit reports are what lenders use to decide if you are a good credit risk. And if you are a good credit risk, what interest rate should they charge you based on what they see on your credit report? Employers sometimes look at credit reports, even insurance carriers, insurers, rental properties. They all look at your credit report to see exactly what your score is and or what your history looks like in those respective areas that they work in. Now, if that's not enough for you to want to check your credit report, let me just tell you a few more reasons why you should check it. Because it is important. It's important that all of the information given is correct. There is personal information about you, your name, middle initial, a lot of times, and or whole full middle name is on there, sometimes not. And you want to make sure that that information is accurate. The addresses that you lived in, your history, because quite honestly, nobody's perfect, and the credit bureau is no different. They have people working there, and they're going through countless names and numbers all throughout the day for hours and hours on end. And if you have someone who lived in the address that maybe you lived in with a similar name, a similar middle name, or a similar last name, their credit can easily be lifted and put on your credit report for a loan or different things that you know nothing about, simply because they mixed up where you lived and where that person lived. It's not uncommon that if you're a senior and you have a junior, that your credit also is shared on reports in different ways. So it's really important to make sure that those mistakes are not happening. Now, there are 3 different credit reporting bureaus, but they all, by Congress, they have to give you a free credit report every year. And during the pandemic, Congress has stated that they have to give you a free credit report every week. That's how important it is. But here we are in the middle of the year, and it is just time for you to get that credit report. Now, how do you do it, and what does it cost you? You go to annualcreditreport.com, and you're entitled to that free annual credit report. Now, there are a lot of different agencies out here that want you to go to their sites, but annualcreditreport.com is free. They don't require a credit card. They just require you to basically confirm a little bit of information about who you are, and you should be able to download your Experian, your Equifax, and your TransUnion report. Now, all 3 bureaus may not report the same information, so it's really good to get all 3 so you can have a really good high overview of what's out there and what needs to be checked, what needs to be corrected. Now, due to the pandemic, again, every week you can get a credit report from now through April of 2022. You feel free to go and grab your credit report and make sure that things are correct. But here we are again, halfway through the year, and I'm admonishing everyone to check their credit report. Now, if you get denied on that website for some reason, or maybe you're not really good with websites and information, you can call their toll-free number and get around having to go online and do all of those things. And they'll mail you a free one as well. I'm going to give you that number. It is 877-322-8228. And that's the number for annualcreditreport.com. 877-322-8228. So everyone, please go out, get that credit report, see what's going on with it. Now, a credit score won't come with that report, but credit scores are something we'd have to cover probably on another video. Today, we're just talking about it is time, ringing the alarm for you to go and get your credit report. Well, I hope that this was some good information. I hope that you find it really important to go get that credit report. It's free. It's something we should be doing at least once a year, definitely twice a year for sure. I hope that this is information that you found helpful. If you did, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to this video, this channel, and also share this with someone who may need this information. Again, my name is Michael Hollins. I am the managing attorney at Hollins Bankruptcy. And as always, thank you for listening, and please be safe.